What's up, YouTube? I'm Sain. If you're new to the channel, I make videos about personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Hey, I started the Robinhood challenge for two reasons. Number one, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number two, I wanted to show you in real time the companies I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So listen, feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some stock using my link below, or you can sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about 5 stocks I'm buying during this stock market crash. But you guys know how we do. Before we get started, we're gonna open up 2 free stocks and get some shout outs on the day. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're gonna open up 2 free stocks and we're gonna start with Asiana on the day. So shout out Asiana. I want to show you some love, man. Thank you. As I always tell you guys, when you get a free stock, I get a free stock. So continue to use the link below to get free stock. Again, it's free to do so. Just sign up using the link below. And without further ado, man, let's check this out. I'm gonna go with the one in the middle. You guys know how I do. So let me scratch this off. I got SunPower for 1 share, $5.81. We're gonna do one more from La Janetta. Again, shout out La Jeanette for signing up using the free link below. Let's see what we got from her. Again, I'm gonna go with the one in the middle. I'm always hoping for Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, so that's the goal. But hey, I'm always happy to get free stock. So let's see what we got here. SunPower again. So 1 share, $5.81. Listen, that's over $10. 2 new shares added to the portfolio overall. So you can't never be mad at free money. Once again, man, I thank you for using the link below. Continue to do so. If you haven't already, make sure you like the page as well. So without further ado, check this out, man. We're gonna do a quick overview. I have, as you can see, as of today, I'm sitting at $12,081.70. On the day, I'm down $465 or over 3.5%. On the week, I'm down $743, almost 6%. On the month, I'm down $4,490, almost $4,500, which equals a little bit over 27%. And so, as I always say, man, the market right now, we're going through a recession as well as a stock market crash. And so these are the ups and downs that a lot of people don't show you and be transparent about, both the ups and downs of the stock market. As you know, you never lose in the stock market if you don't sell. So I'm gonna make a killing even off these losses, but I want you guys to see the losses so that you can understand this is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to be in it for the long haul. 1, so you can recover these losses, but for 2, so that you can enjoy the fruits of your investments long term, so that you can maybe retire early or just live comfortable and do the things you want to do, even blessing others with the resources that you now have due to making smart investments. And so again, this is why I do it, but I want to show you both the good and the bad, because I'm telling you, we're gonna have more days than good. So mark these videos, because I don't want you guys thinking, oh, he only show he's up when he's making a bunch of money. Nope, I'm showing you when I'm down $4,500 as well. And so that's just part of the game. But today's video, we're gonna talk about the 5 stocks that I'm buying during the stock market crash. And for me, the number 1 stock that I want to highlight would be, starting off with Uber. Right now, Uber is $21.40. I own over 20-some shares of this. I just recently sold because I wanted to use that money to reinvest in some other things. But as you can see, I still have 7 shares left at a cost average of $28.25. What I'm going to do, I would love this stock at $21 or below. And so I'm going to keep adding to my position to bring this average cost down, as you can see. And again, I told you long ago, I'm riding with Uber as one of the growth stocks for the future that's going to do numbers and that's going to change the game in the years to come. I'm not expecting nothing in 2020, but I expect big things 2021 and beyond. So Uber is my number one stock that we're looking at today. My number two stock is Microsoft. And so as you can see here, Microsoft is currently $136.50. Now, personally, I'm waiting to establish a true position in Microsoft. Right now, I own one share, and as you can see, my average cost is $139. I don't want this stock at $139. I just wanted to get a position established, so I bought one share. I'm about to buy 25 shares the minute this stock hits 135 or below. The price point I'm really waiting on for this stock is $120. I think everything will be priced right around that price point, if not lower. And so with the market volatility, with the current recession we're in, with this stock market crash that we're going to experience today, hopefully the price drops even further and I can get it and get in and get my position established at the price point that I truly want to have this stock at for the long haul. So Microsoft is my number two stock. My number three stock is Nike. I'm adding this stock on here simply because I'm a guy that when I'm not suited and booted and dressed for all the professional stuff I got to do, I always got on Nike Air Maxes, Nike sweatsuits. I've been a Nike guy from day one. It's just tried and true for me. And so as a person that's very familiar with the product, that loves the product, that wears the product, that does a lot of business with Nike, I want to establish a greater position in Nike. But as you can see, it's $66.78. $70 or under $70 was the price point that I wanted this stock at. But we have more dropping to do in the market. And so I want a position at $60 or below in this. And so I'm going to load the boat up 25 stocks or more at Nike as soon as it drops to $60. And so that's the third stock as part of the 5 stocks that I'm buying during this stock market crash. The fourth stock is Disney. Disney is currently $85.78. I already own 12 shares at an average cost of $94.48, but that's neither here nor there. I'm waiting on Disney to go to 80. I'm waiting for $80 or $79 or below, or around that price point, and I'm going to load the boat with 25 shares of Disney as well when it hits that price point. And so again, these are once in a lifetime opportunities for most of us young people. And so I'm going to buy these stocks, hold them for the long haul and make a killing. But the price point I want to own these stocks at, for me, in Disney, is at $80 or below. And so if it hits 79, I'm cashing out. If it hit 80, I'm cashing out. And so if it go lower than that, I'm cashing out. And so that's my number 4 stock. And the 5th stock for today is Starbucks. Starbucks is currently $57.49. I think this is a great company. I live by Starbucks, and just like Chick-fil-A, or just like when Popeyes came out with that chicken sandwich, I've never seen Starbucks empty. It's always a line that backs up a busy street that I live on. And so I want to own that company. I want to own lots of shares of that company. And so the minute this stock hits $50, I'm buying 25 shares of this stock as well. And so that makes up the 5 stocks that I'm buying during this stock market crash and during this recession. But as you see, the key thing I'm waiting on is for it to hit certain price points. Those price points, you guys, is what's going to bring the PE ratio down to make the value of those companies in alignment with each other. And so I don't want these companies at these overvalued prices. But when they hit the price points that I just shared with you or below, then that will be more priced correctly. And that's the time to own them and hold them for the long haul. And so that's what we're doing. So listen, man, I thank y'all for tuning in today. I make videos like this every week. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.